Hello to my viewers. My maths presentation today is about rational zeros of polynomials. This maths is intended to the grade 10 students. So I have here x cubed plus 9x squared minus x minus 9. So since, how many terms do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is polynomial. So we will recall our synthetic division. Synthetic division. Okay, so this will be, coefficients of this polynomial will be 1, then followed by 9, then minus 1, then minus 9. Then bases must be always the first coefficient of the polynomial. It should be 1. Now, how to get in here the value? Or we will take the factors of negative 9. So, factors of 9 will be plus and minus 1, plus and minus 3, and then plus and minus itself, or 9. So let's start with positive 1. Okay, take note, as what I said, the first coefficient of, a numerical coefficient of your polynomial must be the basis. So 1 times 1 is 1. Then positive, positive, so this will be 10 because 9 plus 1 is 10. Then 1 times 10 is, of course, 10. Then negative 1 plus 10 is positive 9. Now, 1 times 9, this will be positive 9. So, negative 9, positive 9, this will be 0. So, our task already fulfilled. So, this will be x. Opposite of this is minus 1. Because we will equate to 0. Then, this will be, since x cubed will reduce to 1, 3 minus 1, this will be x squared. Then, positive 10x, and then positive 9 is equal to 0. That's why I make opposite of this, because of this 0. So, we will apply now factoring. So, copy this one first. How to factor this one? So, x, factors of 9, this will be x plus 1, and then x plus 9. Let us check. This will be 1x or x. This will be next, correct. This will be equate to 0. So, I have here x minus 1 is equal to 0. So, I write individually equal to 0. And then x plus 1 is equal to 0. And then next will be x plus 9 is equal to 0. Okay, so for the first factors, x minus 1 is equal to 0. So, x will be minus 1 equals 0. So, x is equal to 1 because this negative 1 transpose to the right. How about x plus 1 is equal to 0? So, this will be x is equals to negative 1. Then, the last will be x plus 9 is equal to 0. So, x is equals to negative 9. So, I have now the roots of the equation. Therefore, the roots are positive 1, then followed by negative 1, and then negative 9. Now, let us check this one, if this is correct. So, let us check by using the given. So, the given is x cubed plus 9x squared minus x minus 9 is equal to 0. So, when x equals positive 1, so this will be 1 cubed plus 9 times 1 square minus 1 minus 9 is equal to 0. So, this will be 1 plus 9 because this will be 1. Then minus 9, minus 1 minus 9 is equal to 0. So, 1 plus 9 minus 1 minus 9 is equal to 0. So, this one is 10. This one also minus 10 is equal to 0. 0 is equal to 0. So, therefore, x equals 1 is correct. Now let's go to the second part, which is x equals negative 1. So this will be negative 1 cube plus 9 times negative 1 square minus 1 minus 9 is equal to 0. By the way, wait. This is minus. Sorry, this is minus. I'm wrong. So this will be minus 1. Then this will be minus 9 is equal to 0. Because this is minus 1. So minus 1 cube is minus 1. Because add exponent will be the same as negative. If this is positive, this is even, the sign must be positive. So this will be plus 9 times 1. This will be plus 1. Then minus 9. So is equal to 0. So this one is minus 1 plus 9 plus 1 minus 9 is equal to 0. So gathered all the negative integers. So negative 1. Then followed by negative 9. Then 9 plus 1 equals 0. So this is negative 10. Then this is positive 10. So take note, unlike sign will be subtracted. So this will be minus 10 plus 10 will be 0 is equal to 0. So therefore, this one is correct. How about the last, negative 9? Negative 9. So this will be negative 9 cubed plus 3 times negative 9 square minus negative 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. So what is 9 to the third power? So take note, this will be negative because I mentioned before that if add exponent, the sign must be negative. If even, the sign must be positive. Since this is add, so this will be negative. So what is 3 to the third power? So 9 times 9 times 9. We know that 9 times 9 is 81 times 9. So 81 times 9, this will be 972. So 729. So we got negative 729. This one is plus 9 times, okay, negative. Take note, this is even, so this will be positive. So this will be 81. Then minus plus 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. Negative 729. We know that 81 times 9 is 729. Plus 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. So combine negative 729, then negative 9 plus 729 positive 9 is equal to 0. So this one is 729 plus 9. This will be 18 carry 1, 3, 738. Negative 738 plus positive 738 is equal to 0. Since unlike sign and then the same integer, so this will be 0 is equal to 0. So therefore, x equals negative 9 is correct. So therefore, the roots are 1 and negative 1 and negative 9. So that's all.